Is the tire of your Audi losing pressure and the tire pressure management system, better known as TPMS, is sending a signal but you don't know what to do? No problem, just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps what to do if your Audi emits the TPMS signal, what the correct tire pressure should be as specified by Audi, and how to reset the TPMS. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. You're driving your Audi and suddenly the Audi sends a signal via the virtual cockpit that one of the tires is losing pressure. If the tire immediately loses a lot of pressure, it is advisable to park your car immediately along the road in a safe place and call for assistance. The tire may be damaged and might need to be replaced. If the tire does not immediately lose a lot of pressure and you want to fix it yourself, it is advisable to stop at the nearest point where the car can be inflated, such as the gas station. First, check the size of your tires. When you open the driver's door, you will find a sticker on the door jamb with the correct regulations for the tire pressure that has been placed from the Audi factory. The correct tire pressure for both the front and rear can be found on the sticker. Find the size that matches your tire and your family situation or amount of cargo. Our demo car has a width of 285, a height of 35 and a size of 23 inches and a normal amount of cargo, which means that the tire should be on 2.8 bar for both the front and rear. Remove the valve stem cap and connect the tire pump to the valve. It is important to place the mouthpiece straight. Make sure to inflate your tires to the suggested pressure. To release air from the tire, depress the center pin of the valve stem with a fingernail or a tool. When you're done adding air to the tire, make sure to replace the stem cap. In order to provide your Audi with the correct data, the TPMS must be reset. Go to the Audi Analyze screen and click on Car. Go to Settings and Service. Scroll down to Tire Pressure Loss Indicator. Click on Store Tire Pressure. Click on Yes, Store Now. The system will now be updated. When the system has fully updated, the Audi will give a final pop-up that the settings have been stored. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.